In today's video, I'm going to show you how to redirect a URL using Hostgator. Redirecting a URL is a simple but powerful way to manage your website traffic. It comes in handy when you're rebranding, updating your site structure, or moving pages to new locations. Let's go through the process step by step. Start by opening your web browser and going to hostgator.com. Once you're on the homepage, look toward the top right corner and click Sign In. Enter your login details to access your Hostgator account. After logging in, you'll land on your account dashboard. From here, click on the Websites section. This is where you can see all the websites hosted under your account. Depending on how many sites you manage, it might take a few seconds to load. Find the website where you want to set up a redirect and click Settings next to it. This section contains all the tools and configuration options for that site. Next, click on Advanced Settings. This area lets you make more technical changes to your hosting setup. Once you're there, look for the Redirects option and click it. The Redirects page allows you to manage both your existing redirects and create new ones. Redirects are essential because they tell browsers and search engines that a page has moved, ensuring visitors still end up in the right place even if URLs have changed. Once you're in the Redirects section, click on Manage to view any existing redirects or to add a new one. To set up a new redirect, click Add Redirect. Now you'll need to enter two pieces of information: the source URL, the old address you want to redirect from; the destination URL, the new page or website you want visitors to be sent to. Type both addresses carefully. Even a small typo can break the redirect or lead to a blank page. Double check each field before saving your changes. You'll also see options for the type of redirect, usually permanent 301 or temporary 302. If you've permanently moved the page, choose the 301 option. It tells search engines to transfer SEO value from the old URL to the new one. If it's only a temporary change, go with 302. After you've selected the redirect type and verified your URLs, click Save or Add Redirect to complete the process. Hostgator will apply the redirect instantly and your website traffic will now be routed correctly. That's it. You've successfully created a redirect in Hostgator. This small adjustment can make a big difference in keeping your visitors on track, maintaining search rankings, and avoiding broken links. Redirects are especially important if you've recently redesigned your site, changed your domain, or reorganized your content. They ensure that anyone using an old link still reaches your updated pages without confusion. If you run into issues or need more advanced options like wildcard redirects or HTTPS handling, you can always reach out to Hostgator's support team. They're available to help with troubleshooting or setup questions. Thanks for watching, and I hope this walkthrough made the process clear. Keep your redirects tidy, and your website will run smoothly no matter how much it evolves.